go one to rescue location. Roto-Ray out. If you need fire freeze, you guys get some out of road. Email 67 medic 56.5, go to 16. Yeah, that would be helpful. County T-50, can you start 6055 and then add 66-1 to the fireplace for Willow Street Fire Company, Valley Drive? T-50, okay. Chris, do the turnaround right there where you are and come south, or come north in the southbound lane. County 166.3 is clear the first dude heading to the 50 box.
566.3, okay.
Amen, 67 minutes, 56.5. There goes 67 minutes. Switch over to 62. Same message as the rescue. The turnaround at 2500 block comes north in the southbound.
Watch yourself go down.
West Lampeter Township, Willow Street Pike at Willow Valley Drive for traffic control station 60 and 55 fire, please. 10 for you.